So Bespoke Enterprises is a pan-disability learning skills centre. We've been lucky enough to work alongside digital enablement for this project in creating this digital solution suite, part of Neath Talbot Council's dedication to supporting individuals within our community. The Independent Living Skills Hub offers a demonstration area for people to practice practical skills for independent living. These can include cooking, cleaning, budgeting, recycling, home safety, security, fire safety, and we are working on our relationship training as well. Our hub is for adults 18 plus who have an additional learning need, a mental health or physical disability. The hub's aim is to support our individuals to lead an independent life.
The Digital Independent Solution Suite of Bespokes has been set up to incorporate a place for individuals to explore how smart technology can support and improve daily living. This new suite is giving adults with disabilities the opportunity to live more independently by introducing smart and assistive technology, therefore helping individuals to build confidence and develop essential daily living skills.
The Digital Enablement Project is an SPF-funded project, and the aim of the project is that we go out to people's homes and we support people with any form of technology. This enables people to think about technology in order to give them independence, entertainment, or simply a way of setting reminders and making their everyday life more organised and easier. Digital Enablement Service is free for anybody living Neath Talbot over the age of 18. As well as being able to go out into the homes to support people, we also have digital hubs across the county of Neath Talbot, including the Cymla Digital Hub and Bespoke Digital Hubs. The other hubs will be coming very shortly. As part of the Digital Enablement Service, we have built a comprehensive loan library. And the loan library is where people can loan equipment on a short-term basis so they can have a good try of this equipment in their own environment to see if it's beneficial for them. Every single person is an individual, and it is important that we come out and have a chat with our person to see exactly how we can support them and how we can utilise the technology in order to get the best results for that person.